Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about number. Previously we have covered clipboard, font and alignment, and still you haven't watched those videos. The link has been given above. You can click and you can check out those videos. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. So now, as you can see here in the home menu, we do have this numbers. So this functions here, we do have dollar sign where you can see this percentage. You can see this comma style or decrease decimal or increase decimal. So basically, if you would like to add any dollar sign or any other currency sign to any value, so simply you can write, let me take some number. So now we do have this two numbers. Let me drag it till down, and now we do have this values here in the C column. And if I would like to add any currency, for example, I would like to add India currency. So here I have to go to the more accounting formats. Once I'll go here, I can search accounting. Here symbol you can see, and here you can search India. It's showing INR, and now if you can add it, it is showing INR values. Now again, if I'd like to change it, so simply you can go to the default values. If it is showing for your requirement, you can use it, or else again you can go to the more formats. Now in accounting, you can see here it is showing symbol, and here it is showing decimal. So example, if you don't want decimal, you just want a currency value, so simply you can remove the decimal, and from here let me choose this Indian currency, and I would like to okay. So now let me add 10, and now if I add it, so simply you can see it is showing 0. And let's say I don't want any specific format, then again it's not showing, so no problem. Again we will go to the more accounting format, and here we will select only one. And now let me select currency symbol for India, so that is Hindi. Now if I'll click OK, now as you can see the currency symbol, it is showing like this. So if you would like to change this value, so you can again go to the currency and you can change it. Now as you can see here, additional after decimal it is showing 0, so you can remove a 0 like this, and it is good to go. Now for example, so if you will use this, so this space between your value and between your currency symbol, it will get reduced. So all you have to align the column. Now I don't want this values, dollar values or any other currency values. Simply I'll go here and I'll set it to none, or you can simply from here you can select to no value, any specific formats. Now I would like to change this all to formats, or to change to percentage. So simply I'll select all and I'll use the button combination, that is Control Shift and percentage. So once I'll click it, so as you can see, once you will expand this column, so simply it is showing the percentage format. Now I don't want any percentage over here, and simply for example I'm taking some values, okay, so like this, and again this, and let me drag this till down till 12 row. So now it is reflecting like this. Let me expand a little more, and now if I would like to add this comma symbol, so once you will click it, so this symbol will reflect like this in between your digits. So now as you can see here, again this values if you don't want, so simply go to the accounting format and select no general format. So again it will get back. So I hope in this video use of this number function under this home menu it is clear to you. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can write on the comment box or you can directly email to us as soon as possible. We will try to reply you. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Let's meet into the another video. Thank you very much.